Hey faces, welcome back to another hair video with more hair, where I will be showing you how I installed this beautiful unit. I curled it myself and the curls came out so lush, so bouncy. This 26-inch unit is nothing but gorge. I curled it myself. As you can see, I'm working through those bouncy curls. I mean, look at that hair, the density, the shine, the smoothness, the bounciness. Come on girl, let me get you this hair. I will be installing this hair throughout the duration of this video. Stay tuned and yeah, get yourself this hair. Let's get into
it. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches done mud up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the KO. No one left is killed, I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family got the accurate. The legend. Cap at least 6 days, then it changing. Back on bars while the mercy had it.
Hey faces, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cola and this is Face to Face with Cola by Cola. Make sure that you do hit the subscribe button below so that you can become part of the Face family. As you can see, we are working with Remore once again, and they gave me this beautiful 26-inch unit. The packaging, obviously, gorgeous as always. The hair is quite long. This hair was customized. I had to customize it. It came customized. This hair does not come customized unless you request it to, or for it to be customized. I am now starting the process of installation. I just go in with my cotton cutting water just to clean the residue on my forehead so that my lace does stick. And for another time, I'm going in with this spray by Remore, and then I use this wax stick by Kit while the glue is being getting tackier. I then stuck on the lace and combed back the hair with a hot comb, then used another layer of glamour spray just to melt down this lace with a hair dryer. The duration of my styling this hair so that it does melt into my scalp. This hair, this lace rather is a transparent lace. It's not HD, but even though the lace is not giving that much transparency, I had to make sure that this hair was melt down. Okay, so I'm going in with my red curl so that I can curl my strands with excessive heat like to the last number. I am using smaller partitions so that I can get maximum curls and maximum bounce. The hair is smooth and so easy to comb through, and it quite easy for me to use the curling wand, and because I use excessive heat, it did curl faster than I thought it would. I'm just securing the curls with these crocodile pins so that they can stay in place and stay secured. I love curling with this curling wand, and these crocodile clips are also so easy to use. This process was so easy and effortless. I just enjoyed the whole installation no fuss whatsoever. Looking good so far. I'm happy. Are you happy? Period. So we are done using our crocodile pins and curling wand to curl the hair. I took off the melting band and now I am wiping down the excess residue with the cotton pad and some water once again, and now doing my sideburn edges. I'm going in by blending the lace with my scalp by using my compressed powder or compact powder, just to get the right color of lace to match with the color of my skin. I'm also using this melting mousse. It also is a color corrector for the lace. It helps a lot. As you can see, the color of the lace is changing to the color of my skin. So it did become a lot more easier for the lace to blend in to my forehead. I'm remelting the lace with the melting band so that it is extra blended in. See, told you it was an easy install, easy method. This hair by Remore hair is a non-disappointer. I approve 1000%. Lift this melting band on for a few minutes and voila, there you have it. Bouncy curls. Just combing out my curls with a curl comb, and I love this hair so much. Make sure you check my description box for the details of this hair so you can get yourself this gorgeous unit. Thanks for watching. Until my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.